Once again, this is the Rising Phoenix. Alright, we're coming down the valley of the new grounds. Alright, my name is Magnacar, aka Jason Shower, one of the founders of the Rising Phoenix. And here's the spot we picked. We're hiking down the hill now, as we speak. We're coming down the side. It's a secret Phoenix Society of the New Frontier. New economic brotherhood of financial freedom and the new beginning, the new world. Here we're coming down as we speak. We're out in the Nevada desert, my friends. The Nevada desert, home of this newly developed gathering we put together. It's like an egg in the nest, my friends. The egg in the nest. Beautiful land here. We just came down that mountainside. Whoa, shoot. That was bad, folks.
Babe, check out my
I just fell on my keister.
Babe, can you sell this for me for $1,000? On eCents?
Look at this.
Can you sell this for me?
On eCents?
Yeah.
Our
I
website?
need a buyer. Look at this.
We need a buyer.
Look at this. See this? I need a buyer.
Okay, let's show it. Let's see. Is it the tablet? The tablet of the Rising Phoenix?
Uh-huh.
Okay, who wants to buy this? We're going to start the bid at $1,000.
I just made it a small sculpture.
The $1,000 starting
I'm
bid
going to put this on top.
towards the funds to start the Rising Phoenix gatherings.
I was going to do like this because it's magnetized. So I was going to be like this, and I could probably sell it for a lot of money.
Probably could, my dear.
On the, like that, Ed?
Yeah? I think you could probably do it.
Heart.
Sorry, I'm a little magnetized.
Oh, I hope I didn't break it. Oh, good. Okay, that's good, man. Okay.
Okay, are we ready?
Yeah, I'm thinking.
We've got the tablet.
Hear that?
Yeah, play it, baby.
We're so magnetizing. Does that sound like a guitar?
Yep. We're
guitars, eh?
some aliens, supernatural.
This is some kind of material as well. Oh! The bag just can't fit right on this. Here we go.
She's an angel.
There you go.
Alright. Starting bid, $1,000. The first tablet of the Phoenix parties. Over and out.